Are you curious about the ideal number of push-ups needed to build muscle? Let's explore a method for performing push-ups that guarantees visible results. Be sure to watch this video until the end, because I'll share a push-up regimen to enhance muscle growth at any fitness level. Push-ups primarily target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, but they also engage a range of other muscles throughout the body. The core, including the abs and lower back, is engaged to maintain body alignment throughout the movement. The legs and glutes are also activated to provide support and stability. Push-ups offer a full body workout, making them an efficient choice for those seeking to maximize their exercise time. Push-ups also have cardiovascular benefits. Performing push-ups at a moderate to high intensity can increase heart rate and help improve cardiovascular health over time. Push-ups can also contribute to improved flexibility. The movement of lowering and raising the body during push-up stretches and contracts various muscles, promoting flexibility and range of motion. This can lead to improved performance, as well as a reduced risk of injury. Push-ups can help improve bone health. By stressing the bones, push-ups stimulate the growth of new bone tissue, making the bones stronger and denser. It's important to know that doing push-ups every day is not the best approach for muscle growth. When you engage in strength exercises like push-ups, you create small tears in your muscle fibers. It's crucial to allow your muscles enough time to recover from this stress. Insufficient rest can lead to overtraining or injuries. Proper rest is essential for muscle repair and growth. While resting or sleeping, your body works to repair these tears, leading to muscular hypertrophy. When you perform push-ups, your muscles undergo intense exertion as they contract against your body weight, facing tension and resistance. This provides an effective workout for your triceps, deltoids, and pecs, as your muscles resist gravity, resulting in micro tears. In response to these tears, your body increases hormone production and allocates additional resources to repair the muscles, making the fibers stronger and larger. The actual muscle building process takes place during rest periods after your workout. During this time, your body ramps up hormone production and initiates muscular protein synthesis. Without adequate rest, this process will not occur. Therefore, rest is crucial for allowing muscle growth rather than continuous damage. The optimal number of push-ups depends on your fitness level. If you're a beginner, aim to do one less push-up than your maximum. For example, if your maximum is 8 push-ups, do 7 push-ups in each set. Perform 3-4 sets of 6-10 reps. If you're a complete beginner and can't do even one push-up, you can start with knee push-ups. For intermediate or advanced athletes, aim to do 3-4 sets of 15 to 25 reps. You can also set a challenge to perform as many reps as possible to surprise your muscles and keep them toned. Additionally, consider adding push-up variations to your training program, such as clapping push-ups, knuckle push-ups, or incline push-ups. Develop a push-up program aimed at increasing muscle growth. It's important to find a balance between volume and sets. Start by determining your maximum push-up count and then subtract 2 to 3 reps. Keep the sets moderate, around 3 to 4, to avoid putting too much stress on your joints. Remember not to let push-ups overshadow your overall workout routine. You can use push-ups as the primary compound exercise or as a complementary exercise to main exercises, such as the bench press. Begin your workout with high-energy compound exercises, followed by isolation exercises. The best time to do push-ups depends on your personal preference. For optimal results, I recommend doing push-ups about 1 to 2 hours after consuming a carbohydrate-rich meal to enhance your performance. When it comes to recovery, your muscles may need up to 48 hours to fully recover from an intense workout. Therefore, schedule your push-up days with rest days in between. Now let's discuss nutrition. If you don't consume sufficient protein and maintain a slight calorie surplus, your efforts may not produce the desired results. Target an intake of approximately 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and aim for a calorie surplus of 200 to 500 calories. To perform a push-up correctly, start in a high plank position. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body, keeping your elbows close, until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position while maintaining a straight body line. Remember to breathe in as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. Share your current push-up record in the comments below and also be sure to watch other videos. Thanks for watching.